Hello and welcome to lesson 2 of our Ga language tutorial on the parts of the body. We're continuing with parts around the head. Face, here, face, here, hair, ichoi, hair, ichoi, eyebrow, himese choi, eyebrow, himese choi, ear, choi, ear, choi, cheek, by, cheek, by, mouth, nabu, mouth, nabu, tongue, lile, tongue, lile, teeth, nyanyong, teeth, nyanyong, gum, tenlu, gum, tenlu. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you enjoy this tutorial. So how about a little thumbs up? Yeah, thumbs up. Please smash that like button to show your thumbs up. And of course, please subscribe for more. But before that, time for feedback. I really love to hear your feedback. Really do want to hear from you. Your feedback is valuable to me, and I really look forward to hearing from you. Let me know what I'm doing really well and what I can improve to give you content that enriches your experience. Once again, thank you very much. So, why don't you like and share this video right now? And, of course, subscribe.